You have a song. It's mixed. It's mastered. It's ready for the world. Now you need a music video. But professional music videos cost thousands of dollars. And you're an independent artist with a tight budget. Here's the truth. You don't need a camera crew. You don't need a video editor. You don't need any production experience. With InVideo AI, you can turn any song into a professional music video, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's get into it. The old way of making a music video. You hire a director. You rent equipment. You find a location. You spend days shooting. You spend weeks editing. Total cost, anywhere from $2,000 to $50,000. Total time, weeks or months. The new way with InVideo. You open the app. You upload your song. You describe what you want. InVideo's AI generates a complete music video in minutes. Total cost, free to start, or $28 per month for premium. Total time, 5 to 10 minutes. This isn't a simplified version of a music video. This is a full video with professional stock footage, sync transitions, color grading, subtitles, and multiple format exports. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1. Upload your song. InVideo accepts audio files, YouTube links, Spotify links. The AI analyzes your track immediately. It identifies the tempo, the energy level, the emotional arc, and the structural sections. Intro, verse, chorus, bridge, outro. It knows where your song breathes and where it hits. Step 2. Choose your style. InVideo gives you multiple options. You can pick a cinematic style with dramatic lighting and slow camera movements. A fast-paced style with quick cuts and high energy. A minimalist style with clean compositions and subtle motion. Or you can describe exactly what you want in a text prompt. Step 3. Describe your vision. This is the creative part. Here's what a strong prompt looks like. A moody, cinematic music video for an indie folk song. Shots of a person walking through a forest at golden hour. Close-ups of hands touching leaves and water. Slow camera pans across mountain landscapes. Intimate, warm, nostalgic. Color palette, amber, gold, deep green. The more specific you are, the better the result. Don't say, cool video. Say, wide shot of a silhouetted figure standing on a cliff at sunset, camera slowly pulling back, warm orange and purple sky, cinematic letterbox format. Step 4. InVideo generates. In about a minute, you get a complete music video. The AI has selected relevant clips from its library of millions of stock videos. It's added transitions that match your beat. It's applied color grading that matches your described mood. The cuts intensify during the chorus. The pacing breathes during the bridge. It feels like a human edited it. Step 5. Refine. This is where InVideo stands out from other AI tools. You don't just accept what the AI gives you. You can change any clip by describing what you want instead. Replace the forest scene with an urban street at night. The bridge needs more intimate close-ups. The chorus cut should be faster, more intense. You type these instructions in plain English. InVideo's AI agents apply them. No timeline scrubbing. No dragging clips around. You direct, the AI executes. Step 6. Export. Download in HD or 4K. Choose your format. Landscape for YouTube. Vertical for TikTok and Reels. Square for Instagram. InVideo exports all formats from the same project. One creation, every platform covered. What makes an InVideo music video look professional is the details. The stock library comes from iStock and Storyblocks, 5 million plus professional clips, not AI-generated weirdness. The transitions are beat-synced. The color grading is consistent across scenes. The pacing follows your song's emotional arc. These are the things that separate amateur videos from content that looks like it had a professional editor. And here's a workflow that maximizes your output. Monday, you finish your track. Tuesday, you generate a full music video with InVideo. Wednesday, you create vertical cuts for social media. Thursday, you make a Spotify canvas. Friday, you release everything. One song, 4 pieces of visual content, all created in 1 week, by one person, for one subscription fee. Compare that to the old way. One song, one video, thousands of dollars, weeks of work, by a team of people. The economics of AI video creation are impossible to ignore. InVideo is free to try. The paid plans start at $28 per month. If you release music regularly, this is probably the best investment you can make in your visual brand. One video that looks professional is worth the subscription. And you'll make dozens. Link in the description to try it. Upload a track. Describe your vision. See what the AI creates. I think you'll be surprised. If this convinced you that music videos don't need a budget anymore, hit like and subscribe. Have you used AI for your music videos? What was your experience? Drop it in the comments. Link in the description. Now go give your songs the visuals they deserve.